ZF electric power steering racks are found on quite a few late model GM vehicles. Because of this, many of you are going to have to service these in the near future. And there's something about these racks that makes it easy to tell if it's been properly remanufactured. I'll tell you exactly what it is in this episode of Inside the Brands. Hi everyone, my name is David Hirschhorn, Director of Brand Management at CRP Automotive. As I mentioned in the intro, today I'm going to talk about two popular ZF Bosch EPS racks for GM vehicles. Specifically, I'm talking about two AAE remanufactured racks, ER1011 and ER1015, which are now available. These are used on everything from sedans like the Chevy Cruze and Buick Verano to SUVs like the Chevy Equinox or the GMC Terrain. Now, here's how to tell if your rack has been properly and thoroughly remanufactured. You want to look for a cover that looks like this. The pinion and bar gears are all inside this housing. The important thing to know is that this cover was not meant to be removed and replaced. In order to remove it for inspection, it has to be broken. So if you see this cover on a unit that a supplier claims is remanufactured, the gears weren't inspected. If you see this cover, it means the rack has truly been remanufactured. You see, if your supplier has not removed the cover, that means they have not even inspected or re-greased the gears that sit directly beneath it. We inspect and re-grease all the pinion and bar gears on the EPS units that are remanufactured at our plant. In some cases like these, it means we have to develop new components like the cover, which adds to our expense and development time, but we think it's well worth it to ensure a long, problem-free life for the products we supply. If you have any questions about this video or any AAE power steering product, feel free to post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to hear about helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.